talk about that play. Did you kind of see what Simmons was going to do with the puck before he
started? Yeah, me and Simmons kind of read off each other, so I just drive the net, and he makes a great play and gives me an easy tap in.
Yeah. Are you feeling comfortable playing on that top line? I mean,
yeah, we all complement each other, so we all have similar games. Richie's feisty, gets in on the forecheck, got great speed along with Simmer, so we just keep it simple and we'll go to that hard.
You guys clinched the playoff berth now. What's going to be the mindset heading into the games this weekend?
These are important games. We're battling for home ice here, so we're definitely gonna keep focused and keep the success we have going into the next 2 games.
That is going to make him a real successful player in this team for a long time. That's a hard play that's a lot of courage to go to the net as hard as he did. Simmons makes a great play. Scuds makes a great play to get the puck up to Simmons, and then he gets around the defenseman. But to find Clifford driving as hard as he did to go to the net with no holdback, boy, that's a glimpse of.
Does that tell you?
It tells me that he's a clutch player. He can play in the playoffs. And, he's gotten better as the season's gone on, as the games have become more important. And those are signs that him as a young first-year guy coming in, it's huge to see. That Skinner's doing it in Carolina. He's playing well down the stretch, and in this big playoff race that is so tight this year. And Cliffy's just doing a tremendous job, not only fighting and being physical, but he's scoring goals and making plays.
Well, you know what? You take a look at what you got at training camp. These young players, and you have to make a projection call. That's the only way he can be on the team. If he stays the same way that he is here today in the training camp and out of these exhibition games, then it's probably not going to be good enough. So you have to project as to what you're going to get to at the end of the day with playing in the NHL, pushing the pace and practicing, and he probably met all the expectations that we had certainly coming out of the training camp when we put him on the team. So he's an amazing kid. There's so many times that he has tried to set the tempo and change things around with going out and challenging guys, fighting, and then he scores some big goals. And I'm real happy for him. This is a wonderful finish to a big game for him here tonight to tie that game up.